Good morning, I'm here on Madeira, Portugal, and I'm at the Bica da Cana viewpoint. We've got a sea of clouds below us. Beautiful viewpoint here. We can see down into the valley below and all the way out to Pico Ruivo in the distance, the highest peak on Madeira. I'm about to go for a little journey down into the trees here to see if I can't get an even better view. For some reason it seems Madeira has the world's sharpest bushes. I'm getting scratched like crazy, but just trying to embrace the scrape. I think I'm about a quarter of the way down and full of a lot of regrets, but I don't like turning back, so onwards we go. Wow, look at the clouds down below. I feel like I'm on top of the world. I'm about halfway there. Last little stretch. Thorny bushes are behind me. Pretty clear path ahead. This is what it looks like. Well, hope you enjoyed that little adventure. Live by the saying, woho, we're only here once, so you better make the most of it. Venture to every little viewpoint, every waterfall, every detour, and you end up in places as beautiful as this. Thank you, Madeira. After an epic sunrise at Bica da Cana, we are now out on the trail. It's a 5-kilometer circular route, a few waterfalls to get through, like this one right here. Woo! And then we'll finally reach the pinnacle, which you can see behind me. I'm gonna try and climb it. I'm not sure if it's possible, but we'll find out when we get there.
Animal, animal, gonna bite your flesh when I jump your bones. If I smell your scent, I could lose control. Don't let me hurt ya. Same color in your eyes, all your thoughts depraved, uncivilized. Have we both gone mad, trying to disguise our true nature? Our most primal ways, they won't be refused. I've tried to tame her. I go wild over you. I go wild over you. I go wild over you. And I've heard you talking to the moon.
Wow, made it to the top of the pinnacle. That was probably the craziest thing I've ever climbed. There were a few ropes up here helping people get up, but they'd all been chopped off, so I had to free climb the whole pinnacle. But yeah, I'm really above the clouds now. I think this could be the best view and the best rock on Madeira Island in Portugal. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh, now I gotta get down. This is gonna be the hardest part. Can I just get a helicopter out of here?
And I've heard you talking to the moon. Our most primal ways, they won't be refused. I've tried to tame them. Yeah, I go wild over you. I go wild over you. I go wild over you. And I've heard you talking to the moon.
Out on the trail, we always collect an adventure bag. The motto is a one adventure, one bag. So whenever you go for a fun day out on the hike, the waterfall or the beach, collect one bag of trash and do your bit while you're out enjoying yourself. Well, that's the end of the trail here. Hope you enjoyed that one. I certainly did. Didn't bargain for any of that when I woke up this morning. So pretty fun adventure out here on Madeira Island this morning. Make sure you click the like button if you liked the video and subscribe if you want to see more of my adventures around the world. I'll be posting lots more vlogs here from Madeira Island in Portugal and anywhere else I go. So take care, adventure hard, catch you later.